Hey Sportster riders, you're going to want to see this super clean mod for easier, faster, smoother shifting. Click the link in the upper right to see this video in email format. The Rocket Shift revolutionizes shifting. It enables shifting up or down without lifting your foot. This results in extremely fast, easy, smooth shifting. No more clunk.
And it's not like the heel toe shifter on a touring model where it's not intuitive. On the Sporty, I ride with the back of my foot on the back shifter and the front on the front, and then I just rock my foot back or forward to upshift, downshift.
Yeah.
They're available for 2004 and up Sportsters with factory forward controls in a durable black powder coat finish or a hand-polished mirror finish. Any shift pegs that fit HD will fit the Rocket Shift. The Rocket Shift can be used along with floorboards as well.
It's so easy to use. We have a lot of customers over the years that have mobility issues in their lower foot or their lower leg, and they still use it. I can think of one customer at least that has a prosthetic leg using the Rocket Shift. So it is in the sense of the word, it's a heel toe shifter, but it's very rigid and it mounts directly to the spindle. It's not just an extension of a shifter arm. It is literally an all new assembly that allows you to heel and toe shift. And the first time I rode it, I fell in love with it. Like, it doesn't take long to get used to it. It shifts like a breeze. You know that you lose a lot of that slack you feel when you shift a motorcycle. A lot of these Harleys, you go clunk and it's not that.
It's like a quick shift.
Yeah, it's a quick input.
Give the Rocket Shift a try, guys. You won't be disappointed. If you have any questions, send an email to support@dkcustomproducts.com. Thanks for watching. Y'all ride safe.